Alright, so we're back out here today. We drained off what was in the crankcase, and the oil looks pretty lousy and it smells of gas. Actually, doesn't look like there was as much volume in there as I expected. A couple of design flaws here. The drain plug is directly over the axle and close to the sprocket here, so it's kind of in a bad spot. The drain fill is directly over the disc brake, so I'm trying to put oil back in and keep oil from dripping on the brake disc and the brake pads. The screen looked horrible. It was all clogged with slime, which is weird, considering that was all perfectly clean when we put the engine back together. What else? Oh, and we cranked the engine with the ignition off with the oil plug out, and quite a bit more came out, so that we basically were clearing, letting the oil pump mechanically move all that oil out of this, all that bad oil out of the system. So now I'm just putting in clean oil, top it off, and we're going to see what happens. So I'm still not touching the dipstick. I'm going to look up real quick what the capacity is of this thing. Engine oil capacity on these engines is 25 to 31 ounces, so we should be able to, this was about half full. That suspension's got so many squeaks in it, the thing sounds like a jalopy. Shut it off yet. Nothing. No, it's coming out. I can see it. That was me breathing. No, I'm telling you, I can see it. Hold on. It's better. Maybe it just needs to burn off. It's a lot better, yeah. Oh, it's a lot better. Yesterday it was smoking like a chimney. There's still smoke coming out of that. Go somewhere, so I'm going to quit for today. All right. Yeah, we don't know why it stalled, but going over that bump. Marc's out here with his Christmas present that he got, his drone, which has a camera on it, so he's gonna try and get us some drone shots. Well, I just heard the unmistakable sound of drone blades hitting branches.
Go faster on the straightaway.
What?
You can go faster on the straightaway. See if you can put those belts in.
What?
Straps. Put the straps in. Try to go faster on the straightaway. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.